Sol Republic DEC Wireless Speaker. 2 brands, 1 commitment, deliver incredible music experiences to everyone. DEC fuses the sound and style of Sol Republic with the cutting-edge technology of Motorola. DEC is the only wireless speaker featuring 360 degrees full sound, super power wireless range and heist mode, allowing up to 5 friends to pair at the same time and take turns controlling the music. Powerful sound you can feel. Most portable speakers come with small speaker sound. JBL Spark Wireless Bluetooth Speaker. The JBL Spark is a wireless Bluetooth speaker that stands out from the competition by combining good looks with superb sound. It comes in 3 bright colors: red, blue, and a garish yellow. Throw in a translucent body shaped like a megaphone with a sturdy metal grille on its face, and top it off with a fabric-finished cable and power adapter in matching colors. This is not a speaker that's going to blend into the background. Tetris LED Desk Lamp. The Tetris stackable LED desk lamp is a brilliant and timeless classic from Creative Amundi. The madly addictive Tetris is widely acknowledged as one of the greatest computer games of this era. It may be old hat now on the computer, but it's a brand new innovation on the desktop as a stackable LED lamp. You get to show off your retro gaming creds, and it brightens up even a drab old room with its array of flashing colored bricks. The best part is that you get to rearrange your desk lamp anytime you feel the design is getting stale. Float MurphySofa Sectional Wall Bed. Turn your living room into a fully functional bedroom for guests within minutes by installing this Float MurphySofa Sectional Wall Bed. With the help of weighted piston mechanisms, this bed has been made in a way to stay in place. Unlike typical wall beds, they do not require additional adjustments time and again, which is a big plus point given the promptness you generally prefer wall beds to have. It provides a normal height like a standard bed and can have pillows and other bedding goods, well, kept inside the hidden sofa storage. Know Your Stars Lamp by UNIQCUBE. Dive deep into the unknown world of constellations right from your living room with the help of this Know Your Stars lamp by UNIQCUBE. It's a floor lamp that features all the constellations with a vibrant lighting backdrop. This not only makes the lamp a great accessory for your indoor parties, but can also become a conversation starter among guests. You may have already seen the sky map of Capricornus or the Gemini double star system in the sky, but now you'll get a chance to figure it out from your floor lamp. LG Music Flow A3. Synchronize your multi-room speakers together to play the same song in every room or to suit all your family's music tastes. Stream different tracks around the house. As soon as you arrive home, LG Music Flow syncs with your devices via Wi-Fi, so you can continue listening to your music seamlessly. Just tap an NFC-compatible device against your Music Flow speakers to add them to the network for music that follows you around the home. Listen to your music in high-definition sound quality, 24-bit/192 kHz, and play high-quality lossless compressed files such as FLAC and DAW, made possible through LG's Hi-Fi DAC. VARIDESK Laptop 30 Height Adjustable Standing Desk. Stay active during your workday with the VARIDESK Laptop 30 Height Adjustable Standing Desk. With enough surface space for a laptop on room to write, the VARIDESK Laptop 30 is just 14 inches deep and gives you a work area even in small spaces. The patented, spring-loaded lifting mechanism can be effortlessly adjusted in height with up to 10 lbs of your gear on top. The clever desk can perform these adjustments from a sitting to standing position and vice versa in just 3 seconds, so you can move about without disrupting your workflow. Sugr Cube. Sugr Cube is a powerful AirPlay Wi-Fi speaker with amazingly clear and crisp sound. Sugr Cube is controlled by your motions. It is truly like magic. Use the Sugr app to easily set up your home music network. Sugr Cube is beautifully designed, shaped out of one piece of wood to give it its simple but gorgeously pure look. Sugr Cube is paired within seconds with your smartphone or tablet. Setting up your home Hi-Fi system with this Wi-Fi speaker is just as easy. Leeo Smart Alert Safety Nightlight sends you remote smartphone alerts as and when required. The Leeo Smart Alert Safety Nightlight has been designed to gauge when your smoke or carbon monoxide alarms go off. It will work well with your existing alarms, so you won't be requiring any additional installation. You just have to plug it in and connect to your home's Wi-Fi by using the corresponding Leeo app. It will send you app notifications or call your phone whenever your alarms sound. Darth Vader 3D Deco Lights. Light up the dark side of your room with these super geeky Star Wars 3D Deco lights. How cool will it be to see Darth Vader lit up in your room, and in a way that will look as if he's coming out from the wall? Since these lights are battery-powered LEDs, you won't feel them hot to the touch. They will work wonders for reading in the dark, and can add a special charm of Star Wars in your room for those who can never have enough from the Galactic Empire. Oomi Smart Home. Smart Home simplified. So easy anyone can set up in under 5 minutes. Oomi Touch is the ultimate controller. No more of this smartphone control makes everything super amazing nonsense. Thanks/year. Oomi Touch is stunning. It is encased edge-to-edge in glass with a fully capacitive display and tactile buttons for quick control of your entertainment. You'll wonder how you ever live without it. The responsive display of Oomi Touch is fully customizable, so you can control what matters most to you. WarPlane Tiger Shark Ceiling Fan. Just like the way they ruled the skies during war days, the WarPlane Tiger Shark Ceiling Fan has been designed in a way to reign over your indoors. They are a symbolic tribute to the warbird planes of yesteryears, especially the tiger sharks, which were true air powers that ruled on Earth at war times. Unlike the original airplanes, this ceiling fan comes with blades for giving you fresh air, as well as an inbuilt light source to keep your rooms lit up without the requirement of additional lighting arrangements. iPin Laser Pointer. The iPin Laser Pointer equips your iPhone with a powerful laser beam. That's right, your iPhone is now just as powerful as a Jedi lightsaber. The only feature Apple forgot to put in. The Force is now strong in you, and you can use the iPhone with the iPin and the iPin app to make presentations while walking all over the room, with the laser pinpointing the exact spot on the projection screen you want people to focus on. There's no need to carry an extra laser pointer when you have the iPhone and the iPin. The iPin is small enough that it fits in neatly into the headphone mini jack and is virtually unnoticeable. You can leave it in even while making and receiving calls. Dyson 360i Robot. Unique 360 degrees vision system. The future of robot navigation technology. Just like you, Dyson 360i Robot constantly observes and interprets its surroundings. But unlike you, it sees all around the room at once. This unique 360 degrees vision system uses complex mathematics, probability theory, geometry, and trigonometry to map and navigate a room. So it knows where it is, where it's been, and where it's hit to clean. Dyson cyclones capture dirt and microscopic dust. For Dyson 360i Robot, Dyson engineers designed our smallest radial root cyclone technology yet.